But breaking news regarding a 10-game suspension handed down by the National Hockey League.
Just announced just before the period ended, as you mentioned, 10 games for Alex Burrows. And I just had a chance to watch the video. And Daren, some of the key NHL points in the video was that it was a retaliation for a legal check by Hall on Burrows. There it is. That Hall hit him. They felt Hall hit him cleanly, and they noticed several times afterwards between this and the hit, Burrows had tried to get at Hall on the ice. We have seen situations in the past where retaliation is a factor in the suspension. Now, according to the video, Burrows argued that one of the reasons he kneed Hall a couple times was he was trying to free his arm. The video took the point to say it did not agree with what Burrows said. It called it a dangerous and unjustifiable attack and gave him the 10-game suspension.
This is the video that the
league put
NHL
out.
Department of Player Safety puts out.
Yes.
And also, don't underestimate the skates.
Yes. The video didn't say that, Doug, but I heard the same thing.
Right. The skates being sort of flailing around, coming close to the linesman, and the league takes that seriously when the skates are loose and flying around, obviously, for danger on the other players.
Alex Burrows is no stranger to being in the middle of chaos, but it may surprise people that it's only the second time he's been suspended. So 10 games is a big jump from the second time he'd been suspended. The only other time was 3 games.
Yeah, and they take this really seriously. There's no denying that, especially as we talked, the skates was one thing that made it even more dangerous, the knees to the head, and the aggressive pursuit of the player after a clean hit. They do not like that. They didn't like it, and he got nailed for it.